guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a password generator using Python. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Now let's get started. So what you need for you to make this program is a code editor like Visual Code Studio or an IDE such as PyCharm. So in this lesson or tutorial, I'm using PyCharm. So the first step for you to make a password generator is import. I'm going to write import random. Yeah, import random. Then I'm gonna click on next. After that, I'm going to write s space is equal to space the bracket. I'm going to write okay, the codes. Then I'm going to write A B C D E F G H I J K L backslash equals space 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 space. Then I'm going to write L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 1 2 3 4 backslash, then enter space 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 space. Okay, then I'm going to write N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, exclamation mark. Okay, now I'm going to add the symbol. Yeah, and then forward slash, and then space space space. I'm going to put the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0, and then A B C D E F G H I J K L. Yeah, and then I'm going to put the symbols underscore plus forward dot okay. Now let me indent. Okay, okay. Now I'm gonna write password len space is equal to 16, yeah, and then I'm going to click on enter. Then I'm going to write password space is equal to double quotes dot join parenthesis with made a mistake. Double quotes dot join parentheses. I'm going to put random dot sample parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I'm going to write s comma password length, and then I'm going to click on enter, and then I'm going to write print parentheses password. Yeah, like that. Now let me run the code. Yeah, as you can see, I've generated a password randomly. Yeah, so you can see this is a password that the program has. Okay, let me try another one. Let me run the code again. It is generating the password randomly. As you can see, this is another password, and this is another password. Now, once again, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Now, thanks for watching.